Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today we want to look at how you can book a tutor in Igboclass. How you can book a tutor in Igboclass. So the simplest way, either you type www.igboclass.com, enter, which will bring you to this page. So once you are in this page, you need to scroll down. You will see the tutor section. So like here I'm seeing find a tutor, I'm seeing the tutor section. I can decide to click on any tutor to watch the video. So for example, I can click on this tutor, it loads to watch to know whether it's what I want.
Hello everyone, I'm Happiness Ezinne Ayogu from Enugu State precisely. I'm an Igbo language tutor.
So likewise, I can click on another teacher to know if it's what I want. So I think with this, I can look at the prices to decide, okay, yes, I want to go with this person. So I can click on view profile, which will take me to that teacher's profile. So while looking at the teacher's profile, I can see basic information about the teacher, see the qualification, and the availability days. So this teacher is available Tuesday, Friday, and Wednesday. So if this day works for me, I can go down and start seeing Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. As I'm going down, I'll be seeing them. So I can decide to go for 24th. If I click on it, I'm seeing the time the teacher is available. So I will check whether it works for me. So due to I'm not logged in, that's why it will trigger this. So for sign up and log in, we have done the video before. You need to check for the video if you don't know how to sign up or to log into Igboclass. So I've created an account. All I need to do is just a click. Like one click is telling me login successful. So now I'm getting login successful. I can continue what I'm doing by booking the teacher. So I've picked Friday, 8 p.m. teacher is available. When I don't want 8 p.m. on Friday, I can quickly click on change dates. So once I click change dates, it takes me back. So 8 p.m. was Friday, I can go for Wednesday. So Wednesday, I'm seeing that it's even available 9 a.m. And so teachers' time varies. So you can open different teachers, you see the time that matches what you want, both the days and the time. Then you pick one. So I can pick 9 a.m. Once I pick, I will see the amount. Teacher is charging for the 1 hour session. Then I can see different topics that I can start speaking from. So maybe I'm interested in culture and tradition. I click on it. I start selecting Igbo music. I think I select maximum of 5. So I'm selected 1 of 5. Festival, marriage. I can try to scroll down to another topic. Maybe technology and social life. So in this place, I can try to pick. You mustn't pick 5. I can pick 4, but maximum is 5. So once I picked, I think I'm okay. I can provide additional information if I want. If I don't have, I just click book now. So what I need to do is to make my payments using the available payment platform. So I can click on pay stack, complete payments. So you find that it will load, and once pay stack shows, all I need to do is enter my card detail and I can make my payments immediately. So this is so interesting. I can go back, maybe click on that payment again. If you want to use floater wave, complete payments with floater wave. So floater wave will load. So I'm able to see to type in my credentials, card information, and so I'll be able to complete the payments. Then when you're having issue making payments, which hardly happen, don't forget that you can quickly reach out to us. Make sure you're using a support line to give us a call, and we'll guide you on how to complete the payments and start learning today. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.